Okay. So, good morning and Jai Hind to each one of you. Now, as you all know, that in our previous class, we have discussed about what is prime number and what is composite number. So, today, before we move further, first let me take the topic what is prime and what is composite. And after that, I will explain it to you what is smallest even prime, what is smallest odd prime, and whatever we are left in the last question. हम लोग जो चीज छोड़ कर आए थे वही चीज हम लोग आज स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है? So first of all, let me explain it to you that what is prime number. Beta, always remember that prime number, this is chapter 3, playing with numbers. Okay? And maybe you cannot see the heading of above portion, but it is written chapter 3 playing with numbers. Okay? So now prime number. Beta, remember prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors. Only yesterday in the last class you have seen that I was explaining it to you that there are some number who have many factors, but there are some more numbers also which are not having more than two factors. Okay? So prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors, which we have already discussed. And remember, for example, we have studied that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are all prime numbers, beta. These are all prime numbers. Now, the second definition which we have studied that day, that was for composite number. That was for composite number. Now remember, composite means which have more than two factors. Because जिसके पास दो फैक्टर होंगे वो तो हो जाएगा बेटा प्राइम नंबर, ठीक है? जिसके पास केवल दो फैक्टर्स होंगे वो कहलाएगा आपका प्राइम नंबर. पर जिसके पास more than two factors होगा, the numbers which have more than two factors, so I'm writing here more than two factors. Now that will be known as your composite number. And composite numbers are like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 14. These all numbers are composite number. Remember, composite number and prime number have, that is the difference only, that prime number have only two factors and composite numbers have more than two factors. Now the definition of this one is already there in the notes which is provided by me. ये जो आप नोट करने वाले हो बेटा, ये सारा कुछ मैंने पहले से आपको दे चुका है. So if you are noting down, it is very short and sweet language. Only one topic, that prime number only two factor, composite number more than two factors. Okay? Now this is the main concept. Now let's move ahead. What is even prime and odd prime? Let us come to know what is even prime and odd prime. Now always remember beta, prime number which are even are called even prime. Prime number which are odd called odd prime. For example, just see this series. ये जो मैंने यहाँ पर इतने सारे प्राइम नंबर लिखे हैं, आप उनको गौर से देखिए पूरी लिस्ट में और आप मुझे बताइए यूजिंग चैट बॉक्स, which number do you find it even number? Which number do you find even here? Do you find any even number here? Very good. It's only one. It's only one even number. That is only two. Only two is an even number. So remember what is even prime. What is यहाँ पर even prime? What is even prime here? Only two. What is even prime here? Only two. And rest all the numbers are odd prime here. Rest all the numbers are odd prime. Now remember बेटा, इस कंडीशन से एक क्वेश्चन बनता है, which is the smallest, or you can also write down this, which is the greatest odd prime number. This question comes from here only. ठीक है? And remember, the answer in all situation is only 2 because even prime केवल एक ही number होता है, that is only 2. So there we have only one even prime number, that is only 2. So चाहे आप उसको smallest बोल लो या आप उसको greatest बोल लो, in both the condition answer will remain 2 only. ठीक है, दोनों ही condition में answer केवल 2 आएगा. ठीक है, and remember rest all the numbers which is written over here, they are all odd. ठीक है, they are all odd primes. 3 is odd prime, 5 is odd prime, 7 is odd prime, 11 is odd prime, 14 is odd prime, 17 is odd prime, 19 is odd prime. So all are odd prime. Now let us move to composite numbers. ठीक है, now in composite, do you find here odd numbers? Tell me which are odd numbers do you find in composite number? Tell me odd composite numbers. Which are odd composite number? Look at here the series of prime number composite numbers and tell me which are the numbers do you find it odd. Very good, very nice. I am getting the answer. Students are writing, ma'am, 9 and 15. Very correct, very correct. Here you will find the composite number which are odd, 9 and 15. But ऐसा नहीं है बेटा कि केवल 9 और 15 होते हैं, उसके अलावा भी बहुत होते हैं ना. We have written only few, so that is why we are getting only 2 here, है ना. But हम जैसे सीरीज को बढ़ाएंगे आगे, you will get it more numbers. You will get it more numbers. So remember here odd composite numbers are 9 and 15 and rest all which I have written here are all composite numbers in even. ठीक है, they are all even composite number, rest others which we have written it. ठीक है, अब हम लोग करेंगे very very important part जो कि हमने कल छोड़ा था बीच में. Let me tell you one thing, student. Anshuman has asked a question in the chat box. Ma'am, 14 is also a composite number. So I am explaining that answer only from Anshuman से ही help ले रहे हैं हम. Anshuman से I have asked that beta what are the factors of 14? So Anshuman has told very correct that the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. मतलब four factors are there with 14. And you know the definition of prime number, it has only 2 factors. तो यहाँ पर तो इसके पास more than 2 factors हो गए. And more than 2 factors की definition क्या होती है बेटा? More than 2 factors की definition के according we call it composite number. It means 14 is a composite number. I hope it is clear, Anshuman. Even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2. Very correct definition. Now you must be knowing कि अगर आप कोई भी इवन नंबर ले लो बेटा, कोई भी इवन नंबर, it can be 4, it can be 5, sorry, it can be 6, it can be 8, it can be 10, it can be 12, 14, 20, 60, 18, कुछ भी. ठीक है, every number will be divisible by 2 completely. और if every number will be divisible by 2 completely, so उस नंबर के पास तो 3 फैक्टर हो गए बेटा, मिनिमम 3 फैक्टर तो हो ही गए. कैसे? 1 सभी का फैक्टर होता है, द नंबर इटसेल्फ सभी का फैक्टर होता है. फिर उसके बाद आपने अभी अभी बोला कि मैम 2 इज डिवाइडिंग इवन एवरी इवन नंबर, सो उसका एक और फैक्टर हो गया, दैट इज 2 आल्सो. इट मींस हर नंबर, हर इवन नंबर के पास एटलीस्ट 3 फैक्टर हो गए. और बेटा हमारी डेफिनेशन क्या कहती है प्राइम की कि यू शुड हैव ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स. यू शुड हैव ओनली 2 फैक्टर. तो यहाँ पर बेटा केवल 2 ही एक ऐसा नंबर है जो यहाँ पर इवन प्राइम है, बिकॉज बाकी के जितने भी इवन नंबर है वो सारे 2 से डिवाइड होते हैं. ठीक है, सो 2 से डिवाइड होते हैं तो दे विल हैव द 3 फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, सो दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव ओनली वन इवन प्राइम नंबर, दैट इज ओनली 2. Except 2 there is no even prime number. ठीक है, yes. So this was a topic which was given, which we were doing on Saturday, and it was all about 1 से 15 तक all numbers we have written. So today also we are doing that. So 2 is an even number plus it is a prime number also. Because factors आपने पहले से लिखे थे, I am writing just normal things. हाँ, 3 is a odd number, 4 is even number, 5 is odd number, 6 is even number, 7 is odd number, 8 is even number, 10 is, sorry 9 भूल गए, 9 is odd number, 10 is even number, then 11 is odd number again, 12 is even number. I am not writing more than 12. I am writing just till 12 only. ठीक है? Now move on to prime composite. This is prime. This is also prime. 4 is composite number, which we have just now discussed. Composite. 5 is prime. 6 is composite number. Then 7 is prime number again. Then 8 is composite number. Then 9 is again composite number only. Then 10 is also composite number only. Then 11 is prime number. And last one, 12, is a composite number. Okay. Now I have written all in detail. Now let's, but there is only one number, that is 1, which is neither prime nor composite. Why, beta? The reason is that according to the definition of prime number, you should have at least 2 factors. And according to the definition of composite number, you should have at least more than 2 factors. But 1 एक ऐसा number है जिसके पास केवल एक ही factor होता है. So it is not coming in the definition of 1 also, and it is not coming in the definition of composite number also. So that is why 1 is neither prime nor composite. Remember, 2 is only the number which is even and prime. So you can write it down in important points. A smallest or greatest even prime is only one number, that is 2. Okay, so this is second important point, that 2 is called smallest or greatest even prime number. Students, you are very right that there is only one number that which is smallest, you can call it, sorry, that is 3 is the smallest odd prime number. 3 is the smallest odd prime number. ठीक है? So even prime के बाद हमको मिल गया odd prime. So this is our third important point, that 3 is the smallest odd prime number. 3 is the smallest odd prime number. Correct. Very correct, beta. You all have written the correct answer. If you talk about the next important point is, which number is the smallest even composite number? Which number is the smallest even composite number? So the answer is 4. 4 is the smallest even composite number. This is the next important point. Now the next important point is 9 is the smallest odd composite number. ठीक है, odd composite number. Now please listen my next question very clearly. ठीक है, बड़े आराम से सुनिएगा, confusion नहीं होना चाहिए बेटा. ठीक है, can you tell me which is the smallest two digit even composite number? Which is smallest 2 digit even composite number? Tell me. 2 digit. 10 is the smallest 2 digit even composite number. Even composite number. So the last one which we were discussing is that 15 is the number which is smallest plus odd plus composite. ठीक है, smallest भी है, odd भी है, कंपोजिट भी है इन 2 डिजिट नंबर्स. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2 डिजिट. हाँ, सो अगर क्वेश्चन में आपसे 2 डिजिट नंबर पूछा जाता है, सो यू शुड नो एवरीवन. ठीक है, finish. Now I have sent you all the points. If anyone has missed it, you can see your chat box. I have shared it with you all.